evening. Genetic manipulation has had a bad press. There has been much attention focused on the dangers of bioengineering. But there have been some remarkable achievements in this field. Take sport, for example. Many cyclists have been banned from major sporting events because they have failed certain drug tests. In our laboratory, we have created a new type of cyclist who can perform miracles without resorting to drugs of any type. First, we studied the grasshopper because of the immense power of its hind legs. We inserted the grasshopper genes into young humans until we finally achieved the perfect cyclist. Of course, no achievement of this kind comes without a price. As you can see from this illustration, his backside is now where his reproductive organs should be, and his organs are behind him. This rearrangement of body parts does cause certain problems. But it is a small price to pay for sporting success. We had amazing success with our first experimental swimmer. This time we used the genes of frogs to create very large feet with webbing between the toes. We also made the ankles very flexible to ensure excellent flipper action. Unfortunately, the flexibility in the ankles resulted in a degree of instability when trying to stand upright. As you can see from the following tape, there were occasional problems at the start of a race. Sometimes we did not succeed in sport. All our attempts to create a better female golfer were failures. Nothing could improve upon the current model. Just look at those magnificent thighs. I tremble when I think of them wrapped around my neck. Beyond sport, we have had some success in our attempts to improve upon scholars and academics. From computers, we adopted the idea of the dual processor, two minds working together within the one person. We first decided to try two male heads on one body. Both brains worked hard. But because they were male, they had difficulty communicating with one another. Next, we tried a more elegant solution. Two female brains in the one head. This was far more successful. But the two female minds did spend far too much time talking to each other instead of solving problems. In my next talk, I will tell you about our splendid work with animals. But for now, auf Wiedersehen.